Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're looking at SLV silver ETF. Silver's going higher. It's got to. Alright, lots of demand out there, commercially, industrially, for silver. And look at how low it is. It was down at a low of 1673, and now it's at 1714, and it is going higher. Technical indicators say up, up we go, up, up and away. Maybe, possibly, two of the three are positive. So this is a good thing. As soon as it crosses that $18 mark or $17.92, it could enter some resistance at 18, but I don't see it. I mean, look at the chart. I don't see the resistance at 18. I see some resistance up here at 20, maybe 19.20, but not at 18. So it's going to blast right through that thing up to 20 bucks. And I think we'll be sitting pretty. So I need to dollar cost average down a little because my current silver, I don't remember exactly where it's at, but I think it's in the low 20s. 21, maybe 22. And then my cost basis is probably in the high teens, like around 18, with all the calls and puts I've sold on it. I have to go back through my videos and my spreadsheet and take a look. Or if you guys have been following me, you can do that yourself. So I think SLV cash covered put this week. Be sure you guys subscribe to my channel and join up. It's a small nominal fee to get my real-time stock trades, and to get my investing class and trading classes. It's a little more. So join at the options trader level or above. That'd be pretty cool. See you guys in the class. Love to have you. Limited time offer. And see what else. I think that's all I have for this week for SLV. It looks like it's going higher. Gonna sell a cash covered put, and stay tuned for more. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching.